My name is Shakira Green. I'm the founder of JTD Co, and on this channel we will be balancing boys, business, and beauty. If you are new here or have no idea who JTD Co is or what the JTD community is, we are a brand that focuses on educating, motivating, and supporting boy moms who have small businesses. I'm also documenting my journey from taking my small business, JTDco.shop, from penny to prosperous. And I will be sharing everything that I'm learning with my community. And hopefully this will help other boy moms or small business owners grow their businesses. And hopefully you guys can share back with me what you know about growing a business, how you've done it, what successes you've had, what failures you've had, in order to spread the education around the twin community so that we all can have prosperous, beautiful businesses. So if this sounds like a journey that you would like to be on, or a community that you would like to be a part of, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to join the conversations that we have off of YouTube, go ahead and add our Facebook group, which is JTDco.shop. If you want to take the support just a little bit further, go ahead and shop at JTDco.shop. Most of the items that the boys will have on in the videos will be from our shop. So check us out, JTDco.shop. Now that we are all introduced, let's finally get into this video. So I'm going to do a quick update of where JTD Co is right now. We are JTD Co LLC, so we are a limited liability company. We did get our Dun number from Dun and Bradstreet. We are registered with the state of Ohio. That's the state that I reside. And we do have our vendor's license with the state of Ohio as well, so that we properly sell our product. I received my EIN number from the IRS website. It was completely free. I just went on irs.gov. I followed the prompts at the top. I went ahead and pressed the business tab, and under the business tab, in the subtitles, it says EIN number and things like that. So you want to click that and you want to go ahead and apply for your EIN number. Now, once you apply for your EIN number, it will take up to 14 days, I believe, for it to send to you. I don't believe I had to wait the entire 14 days. I do believe I had to wait about a week though, but it did come to me in my email after about a week. Dun's number, DUNS, it's just a way for business creditors to monitor your business credit. So just as Experian, the Equifax, and TransUnion monitor your personal credit, so your Dun's number is how you establish business credit in the business world. So you can get your Dun's number from dnb.com, so Dun and Bradstreet, but just the initials. And you're gonna go on DNB. It's free as well. You're gonna have to register. You're gonna have to register for it. Make sure you pick the free package, because they do have packages that you have to pay for. Yes, it may come with some. They may come with some other benefits. So if those packages are best and in your budget, then go ahead and go with those packages. I know for sure they have really good tax consultants to talk to, and that will help basically do your taxes, your business taxes for you. So go ahead and check them out as well. I register my business as an LLC and with the state of Ohio through my state Secretary of State website. So for Ohio, that's ohiosos.gov. So when you file your LLC is going to be $100. And the filing with the state of Ohio was $40. It may vary between states, but for Ohio, filing your LLC is $100, and filing for the state of Ohio is $40. Even though our store is completely online, we do have to have a business address, a business phone number, and a professional email. So my business address came through a virtual mailbox website. You do have to pay for it. There are different subscriptions ranging from about $7 a month to about $30 a month. Each come with different accommodations that they offer for those packages. Most virtual mailbox websites only have a few states and cities that they work with, so you definitely want to make sure that you find a virtual mailbox that has a mailbox location in your city or close by where you can actually go and have access to, or at least one that will send your mail directly to you so that you won't have to go get it even if it's further away. Our business phone number is literally just the phone number that I got from Text Now for free. It's a free texting app. It's just a phone number so that it's not connected directly to my regular phone number. There are websites where you can actually purchase a business phone number for a few dollars a month. But as far as Text Now just works for me. It's free. It's just, so it's in the budget. And if someone calls, it will go through the Text Now, and I can choose if I answer it or not, and they don't have to have my personal number. My professional email is a mix between my domain that I bought from GoDaddy.com and Google, and the actual email was formed through Google Workspace. So your professional email is going to have your domain as the .com. So like where my regular email is shakiranashay@gmail.com, my professional email is shakiragreen@JTDco.shop, which is my domain that I purchased. Okay, you can purchase a domain from GoDaddy for about $1.99 to about $15 or more, depending on the domain that you go with. Google Workspace is also a monthly subscription. They give you about 2 weeks free to try it out, and then it goes into the monthly subscription plan. There are also a few other things that we have to purchase for this business. One of those things that we have to purchase is a certificate of good standing. You need by law a certificate of good standing for your business from the government, basically stating that you're all good with the government. That will be $67.50. We also have to get our current complaint labor law poster. That's another thing that's apparently required by law to have. And right now, it is $79.25, but I do believe if the longer you wait, I do believe the price starts to go up. So just keep that in mind. Message me on our JTDco Facebook page. If you don't have a Facebook, DM me on our JTDco.shop Instagram page. So just stay tuned, you guys. We are going to continue to bring you as many videos as we possibly can to just keep you guys updated, and follow our channel because this is where the information is going to be. If you have any questions about business, go ahead and leave the business questions down in the YouTube comments. Like I said, we're starting a community to educate, support, uplift, and motivate each other, and I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Other than that, I really appreciate you guys for hanging around, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.